want to do screen recording, or even go onto YouTube and take a screen recording of that. It's simple. I'm going to show you how. First of all, you go onto YouTube. Then you type in something what you want to do. Now I'm going away for the 4 days, and I know there's not going to be any internet, so I can't look up any things that I want to do. So I'm going to take some things with me. I'm using my Insta360 camera, so I'm going to put Insta3, and it should be there. Insta360 1R. Now I want to capture something so I can learn from it while I'm away. I don't want all the verses because I want to learn something what my camera can do, not what other cameras can do. So I'm going to look for something what will interest me. Now there's lots of stuff in here what I have downloaded myself, but I'm here to show you how to do it. Here, just for example, here's connecting a microphone. I'm going to click on that.
Inch mod or the 4K wide angle mod, a light like
It's
this
already
can come
been
in
on while
handy
I've
for a
used
lot of
it, so I'm going
different
to stop
situations.
it back there for a second.
As required has
And
been made
pause it.
available.
You don't have to pause it. Now what you do is you click on the top here in the L. You go after the E and do a click. It has to be after the E and before the dot. Right? And you type in PP. Now before you're going to go, you've got to remember there's going to be lots of ads you don't want, and to get rid of that, there's a way of doing it. Type it in. When it comes up, you'll put your cursor here, because this is where they'll all come in, these ads. See? Right, Marie 35, 900 meters away. Yes, thanks Marie, don't want to know. Maria, again, the same girl was a different name. Click on download. Make sure you click this first because this is redirection. Forgot to tell you that. Come back over here and click. Click download here now and put this back here to stop all the other ads coming through. Now we're going to do this live in real time. And as you can see up here, it's downloading. But I'm keeping my cursor here just in case any ads come. Now because I've been doing it a lot, there's less ads while they're coming. Now when this blue bar goes, it'll turn. And all you do is click on that. You'll have another section here. And then you go to the search bar just to see if it's there. Once it's there, you just get rid of it. I've got mine going to my desktop. Other people have theirs going to their downloads folder. Whatever you got yours set for, that's where you'll find it. Well, this is nearly finished now. Yep, so you click on this, and that's it there. Right. So what I do is I just check that it's there, and there's what we just downloaded. This means you can actually watch them when you can't get a connection, and I know there's not going to be no internet where I'm going. So what I'm going to do now is clear it, so I know it's already done. I'm going to get rid of this one here for you. I can just do this first. I'm going to do another one for you just to show you it works. Going to YouTube. As I say, I'm onto Insta. We'll go back to this. Search something what I want. Doesn't have to be this, of course. You can put anything you want in it. I already know how to do a mic and light, so I'm not going to use that. Oh, here's a bullet time, which is interesting. I'll do that. Click.
Today I will share with you
This
how to
guy's
make a
great,
bullet
but
time
anyway.
mix video from your
I'm
phone.
just pausing it so you can hear me. Click on the L. Put your cursor just after the E. Make sure it's there. Put PP in. Make sure you go, let me just show you something. Put PP in, enter, and have this ready here. Right. Download straight away. There's Sophie again. Click off this. You don't want to be redirected. See, Sophie, I've already seen you. Don't want to know. Click download. Put this back here. Get rid of all the ads. If you don't do this fast enough, you'll be bombarded with things. Especially with a page. This is easy getting rid of the girls. And look how fast that was. Got to clear it before. There's only one thing there, so you know it's going to be what you've last done. And sure enough, there's what I've just downloaded. Clear it once more. All I can say is thanks for watching. Hope it all works for you. And if you get any trouble, let me know. Bye bye for now.